Alright, we are going to get Belle's bumper painted. So I've got it in the car. Where am I going? I'm literally going probably down the road. I could do it at my house, but the problem is that means that I'd have to clean, and I'm going to clean tomorrow because my house is in no condition to be painting anything at the moment. So that's what I'll be doing. Alright, so got the bumper in the car and we're just heading down. Alright. So here's a 180. Type X, by the way. Here's a GTS 33. I believe this may be his drift car. Old school Corolla, currently for sale. 350Z drift car, another drift car. 31 drift car. I believe this got like, I don't know, big horsepower. Look how old the sticker is. And if you guys haven't realized, got a boat as well. I thought I was bad. Alright, and this is where stuff happens. So I've got S15 bumpers here. Probably needs a little bit of areas where I have to Scotch-Brite just so I can get some better adhesion. There is a run there that I didn't chase out, but we're in a painting stage. But as you can tell, extraction fans, we've got good lighting, lots of lighting. So this is gonna get done today. So I'll probably maybe I should get a chest cam or something like that, so you guys can just have a look. Head cam, or maybe I'll just hold it. I don't know about holding it, because I have to hold the hose. It's been a while, so hopefully I can do this right. Alright, it's go time. Got the chest mount prepped, ready to go. We're gonna start painting it. A little bit of dust and bugs, but once I blow all that off, it should be okay. It's been a while. I'm not too sure if I need a mask in here, but I'm gonna probably do first coat and see how I feel. If I feel a little bit high or tipsy or not, then I'll probably wear a mask. And also, I'm gonna hold up. Get the bumper facing towards you guys. So I'm painting it like this. Alright, so we get any of the air extractions going out through there and we should be okay. Alright, I'm not too sure how much pressure we have in here. Judging by the sound of that, we have a fair bit. Yeah, it feels like way more pressure than I have at home. It's probably... Alright. All the way in, and we'll open it up. 1, 2, 3. I've got a lot of paint in here, so let's just see how we go. I'll go back to all those middle sections later. that's the first coat. I don't know why he's got so much more pressure than I do now. He's got a smaller hose. I'll turn down the pressure by half a turn, and we'll go again. Guys, we need our mask for this. I think this is a new mask. I haven't even worn it yet.
Yeah, new mask. I'm not too sure if you guys can hear me. Voice is muffled. We got the clear coat in. Let's see. It's been a while. Alright. 2 turns. Should be enough. Give it a little bit more pressure. And then we'll do a full wet coat. We'll slow it down. Alright, that's pretty much our wet coat. We're going to go through and do the specific areas that we always have trouble with. I'll drop the pressure down a bit. Alright. We're going to end up getting a run because we overlapped it there. We did overlap it there, so let's close it back in. 1, 2, we'll go 3. And we'll just wait for it. Pack off a little bit. And see what we can do about that run. I'm not too sure you guys can see it, probably they cut it off, but that's okay. If that's the only run, then we are okay. Slow it right down. Alright, that's done. What we're going to do, we'll load up in thinners now. Since it's still a little bit tacky, we'll load up on some thinners. I think his reducer is here. Then reducer, we're going to throw a whole bunch of thinners into here, and what we're going to do is we're going to bleed the clear. We're going like probably like 60% reducer. Thanks, Mike. And the reason why we're doing this is so we can bleed in those dry spot areas. A lot of people, I suppose different techniques and stuff like that would negate this, but I learned this from a friend of mine. And I'm all about hacks. Fast, quick hacks. So we'll wait for a bit, wait for it to tack off, and then we'll go for it. If you look at it, not too bad. Some dry spots here and there, but should be pretty good. A little bit of dust, obviously, but not too shabby. I'll blow this all over it, and that way it can be as smooth as possible. Alright, so nice and far away. All we're doing is bleeding into the clear. So okay, I didn't like that. What happened next? I didn't like that. Why did it start sputtering all of a sudden? And it makes it more glass-like. So, other than the sputtering, I'm not too sure what caused that. Probably air inside the gun. So I'm just trying to see what the hell that problem was. There we go. That's done. Finito.
Well, see how you guys like that. Have a better look. Like I said, it helps with the gloss. Simple, easy solution. Don't do it too much because it will run away on you. So just take it easy and see how you go. So. And there was an obvious mark on the bumper that I didn't fix. I don't like putting a body, like putty or body filler onto bumpers. And we could have shaved it, but we could have, you know, done a lot of things. But so that's that. So hope you guys enjoyed that.